everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I am back and I have got a Michael's grab bag haul for you. Pretty excited about there. It's three of them. Three things, I should say. Three grab bags, three $5 items. Two of them are bags and one of them is a large sign. Pretty excited about them and happy to share them with you. Unfortunately, I do have some bad news. Not so much for you guys, but for me. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet between Michael's and home. Didn't go anywhere, so I must have dropped it in the parking lot at Michael's. Went back, nowhere to be found. Nobody at Michael's has seen it, so I don't know what's going on with that. But we do have some of this stuff. And before I get into this, I do want to say, of course, thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate you guys being here and watching videos. And I'm sure I'll get some great comments from you guys. And believe me, I'm sad as well about losing my wallet. But it's okay. I was able to cancel all the credit cards. And I can get a replacement license. So it's all good. I did lose a gift card in there, though. So that's that. But anyway, if you're brand new to the channel, welcome. I don't always just kind of ramble on personal stuff like this. Actually, I do a lot of times. And yeah, let's just get into this. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. All right, this is the first thing I grabbed. It was a big thing, and I really love it. It is a sign. It's a big sign. It retailed for $39.99. It's kind of got a weird back to it, but it says, snow day, sleep in, sip hot chocolate, cherish every moment, deck the halls, believe, and it looks like it's metal there. Yeah, it is. Eat, drink, and be merry, build a snowman, roast marshmallows, and gather with family and relax by the fire. So I really do like that a lot. I don't know what that little spot is right there. I thought maybe there was a light or something in it, but there's not. I got this because I think it would be really cute on the outside of my porch, where I hung my my snowman this year. So that will be that. Now the next thing, I kind of tore apart the bags already because I was looking for my wallet. And this first bag is a bunch of picks. And I grabbed this kind of on purpose because when I saw that sticking out, I was like, okay, these are some kind of floral picks. So these are going to be perfect for a wreath. They're going to be perfect for a wreath. There are a lot of, like it's all picks. So there's quite a few of these. There's quite a few of these little snow, like ice skates rather, which they're really cute. There's just a ton of them. There's like literally, I'm just going to keep grabbing them all so you can see how many of them there are because there's a lot. And of course, here comes Otis. He'll be making an appearance very soon here. But there's probably like 30 of these things, and he probably thinks they're toys. And he may actually get one. And like they just keep going on and on and on. So you can expect to see a ice skating DIY wreath from me next year. But there are two things in here that are different. I'm still grabbing the ice skates. All right, last ice skate. The ice skates weren't very popular this year. But then they had these little doggies. I think the doggy is cute. So the first doggy, I am going to take off the stick right now. I think I am anyway. There I am. And guess what? Otis, you got a toy. Here, buddy. Go get it. It's already eating it. And then there's another one for when he eats that one. So that was bag number one. Bag number two, I also tore apart because, again, looking for my wallet. No luck yet, though. So the first thing that was in there were some craft sticks that are already dyed red and green. definitely could use those. I could probably even use the red ones for Valentine's Day now, so not a bad thing. Okay, you guys know I love my Mr. Otis, right? He's my buddy. He's already ran off with his toy. They're kitty cat. They're kitty cat earmuffs. Oh, by the way, this retailed for $2.99. And then this retailed for $4.99. So I can like keep my ears warm, I guess, with these cat earmuffs, which I probably will never do. And I have 2 pair in case I lose one. So that's what they look like. I do have a friend that is a cat lover too, so maybe she'll get a pair of these. But that was one thing. My bags were pretty much picked over. They didn't really have anything. They had a couple other signs, but nothing that I wanted, so I didn't get it. Then there was this. It is a puzzle. Super cute. Probably will end up putting that in a gift bag or something for next year. And then I thought this was kind of cool. This is a on-the-go art set. And it's got this clipboard. And this retailed, by the way, for $24.99. Grab bags in my market are $5. I think that's what they are now across the board. But mine were $5. And let's see if we can get this open. Because it looks like it's got some pretty cool art supplies in it. It has, there's a list here actually. So it contains 18 mini colored pencils, 18 oil pastels, 35 sheets of drawing paper. Wow, there's a lot in here. An 11.6 inch by 8.2 inch something. Some number 2 pencils, some stencils. Hi, Baba. Otis is here. That's why I was saying hi, Baba, too. That's what I call him. And then there's some erasers and a sharpener and a paper box. And then the clipboard that's on the front. So that in itself is kind of cool. Because, I mean, that was worth $5. So it opens up like this. And then you can see the stencils are there, which are nice. Look at the little baby ruler. That's cute. And then this is probably the drawing paper. And then, oh, I love this. Check it out. There's a drawer here. And then that's where the colored pencils and pastels and such are. So, I mean, for $5 to get the kitty cat earmuffs and this drawing paper and the stencils and the puzzle and the ruler, and then I'm not done yet. So far I think I'm doing pretty good. It's funny, I got one of these puzzle sets in my mystery box, and now I have another one. So now I'm gonna have to do something with them because they all come apart kind of similar. So we'll figure out something to do with those. And then this is some Funny Finds instant towel. I think it's one of those that's like all bound up like this, and then when you paint it, when you get it wet, it expands. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. If you know what it is, tell me in the description box below, because I have no idea what it is. What else did I get? I received oh, this is cute. It's a puzzle again, and looks like it's a unicorn, and it says, "Stay sweet." Again, $4.99 retail. I think I told you that was $24.99, and then the puzzle's the same. And then this is cute. These are elf report cards, and it says 49 pieces. But I guess that's kind of like I want to open it because I don't know what it is. I want to see what it is. I'm assuming it's kind of like a greeting card or something. Oh, I know what okay, I see what it is. It's literally like a report card. So I guess like if you're hanging out with the kids and you want to give them like stamps and stuff, it's kind of like a coochie coupon book or something like that. But like you can say, you know, today you were a superstar, or nice try, or oh, you were naughty. So I don't know what I'll do with those, but it's okay. Two of these, which are great, especially with Easter coming up. They retailed for 99 cents each, and I love that they've got that cutout. That could be fun with some resin or something. And so those will be fun, especially with Easter coming up. I don't know what that is. It doesn't even say what it is. I'm assuming it's some kind of ribbon or something. I don't want to take it apart. And there's oh wait, there's a ton of them here. Okay, so it's a ribbon. And yeah, it's a ribbon. That's all I know. I don't know if it comes apart. I'm going to take one apart because they literally have like 1,000 of them here. Oh, okay, it's just ribbon. They just tied it up in that fancy thing. So it's ribbon. They retailed for $2.99 each. For that, that's all it is right there. That literally is all it is for $2.99. I'd have been mad. I would have been mad. So look, this is how much it is. This is all it is right here for $2.99. No. So I received a red one, several other colors, red, a gold, and another red. And I thought there was a silver one around here somewhere. So, like, that's a ripoff. I would have been furious if I received an entire bag of all those, especially how my days went. All right, so this is cute. This is a gift tag kit, and I really do like this. So there are some pre-cut out shapes there. Looks like there's like a bell, maybe like a penguin or something. I don't know what that is. And a stocking. And yeah, it's just gift tags. There's even some that look like regular gift tags. And then there's a ink pad, little stamper thing that says Noel. And then there's some twine to tie them up with. So that's kind of cute. I would probably use the stamper. And I'd use these tags. I might use them for other things. I gotta figure out what the heck that one is though. I can't tell if that's like an elf. Oh, maybe it's an elf. I bet it's a really ugly elf, but I don't know. I'm very sassy today because I lost my wallet. Okay, these are cute. These are a letter to Santa kit, and oh, look at that. It comes with stamps. I don't think they're legit postage stamps though, because if they are, I'd be using those. But it's a letter to Santa kit, 24 pieces, $2.99 retail. And it looks like they're kind of like pre-folded, and you just fill in, you know, for Christmas this year, I want my wallet. I need to find my wallet. I'll wear anything you want because I want my wallet. And then I'll read the Bible 700 times if you bring me back my wallet. So you can kind of fill in the blank there. And then this little water game, $4.99 retail. There was no way I would have paid that. It's kind of like a little lava lamp though. It's kind of cool. I'll put it on my desk at work, which is just on the other side of this room. And then, of course, I have my receipt because you can scan your receipts into Fetch Rewards and you can get points for that. So if you don't know about Fetch Rewards, it is a online, or it's a app. You literally take a picture of your receipts and you earn points that you can redeem for gift cards to Amazon, movie theaters. There's different shopping sites online. There's restaurants. There's all kinds of great stuff. So definitely look into Fetch Rewards. I'll put a link below if you haven't. So I'm going to scan my receipt. And then I got 3 of these. And I think it's kind of like, it's an activity board. It's an activity board. It says that, activity board. And it was $3.99. But it's fun stuff for kids. So like, how many presents do you see above? And then you count and you put in the number. And then the stockings are hung, so you put gifts in there. So it's just one of those fun activity things for kids. You can draw the rest of the Rudolph. You can do word seeks and stuff. And you can do all that kind of stuff to help Santa find those. And it comes with the dry erase pen. So there's 3 of those. Glad I needed all 3 of those. But honestly, I could see maybe cutting these up and using them as fun little projects or something. Who knows? I would probably like cut that off there and then like put that on a magnet and put it on the refrigerator or something. I don't know if then maybe the kid would draw on the refrigerator, but maybe that's why I don't have kids. And then, so that was the grab bag haul. I did buy a couple Cricut things because I've got this new thing coming up with Cricut that I'm very excited about. So I'll just share those with you just in case you guys are Cricut owners, because excuse me, they did have some of their vinyl on sale. So their regular rolls of vinyl. This is the premium vinyl, and it is the permanent. It's on sale for $4.99. And then I bought this variety pack of vinyl that has all those great colors in it. It is not on sale, $17.99. And then I have the Cricut Maker. So I bought some wood veneer sheets. And then I bought these aluminum sheets because I have a cool, fun idea with those. And then I bought a piece of wood because I didn't have a scrap piece of wood that was a good piece of wood. And this is not for the Cricut. This is actually for something else I'm doing for a thrift flip. So that's my haul. Unfortunately, I was hoping I would find my wallet underneath all of this, but that's not going to happen. So we can probably kiss that goodbye. But hey, I'm happy, I'm healthy, I have groceries, I have friends that can give me money if I need it until my check card gets here. I can always go to the bank. So things could be worse, right? All right, guys, take care. And I appreciate in advance all of the sweet comments I'm sure I'm going to get about my wallet. And hey, next year we are doing an ice skating wreath. It is going to be amazing. I'm going to have every other project be something involving ice skating. So, all right. Bye, guys. Take care.